Hello everyone, this is Shweta Negi. Welcome to you my YouTube channel Experience the Maths. And in today video we are going to solve 10th class mathematics NCERT book chapter 9 exercise 9.1 question number 6. According to the question, a 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from 30-meter tall building. The angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increase from 30 degree to 60 degree. As he walks towards the building, find the distance he walked towards the building. So according to the questions, I have drawn a diagram, and now I'll explain the diagram. A boy whose height is 1.5 meter, he is standing at the point D and he walks towards a building. The height of the building is 30 meter. We are considering he walks towards the building y meter and he reached the point to C. Now the distance when he moved y distance towards the building, the distance between the boy and the building is x meter. When boy was in his initial state, the angle of elevation at the top of the building 30 degree, and when he walks towards the y meter towards the building, the angle of elevation increase from 30 degree to 60 degree. So as we will move towards the object, the angle of elevation always increase, and when we will go far from the object, the angle of elevation decreases. So as he is moving towards the building, the angle is 60 degree from 30 degree. Okay, now this height is 1.5 meter. So this line and this line he is moving parallelly. So it will be 1.5 meter. So now we are drawing a straight line. So the height of GB point will be 1.5 meter because this and this, all these lines are parallel to each other as he is moving straight. Now the height of AG point remains 30 minus 1.5. So it will be 28.5 meter. Okay. Now first we will apply the trigonometrical ratio tan theta in the triangle AGF. In this perpendicular we'll calculate the base. Then we will apply the same tangent tan theta in the triangle AGE. So now let's see how we are solving. So in this question, or in these type of question, height and distance type of questions, first if you have drawn the diagram perfectly and correctly, so the calculation is not a very big task for you. So you have to only apply sin theta, cos theta and tan theta according to your requirement. So here we have given the height and the base. So we will apply the tan theta because height is given and we have to calculate the base x and y. So we are applying the tan theta. So first we are applying tan 60 degree AGF. So AG up perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is 28.5 upon x. Base we are considering x. Tan 60 is root 3, and after simplifying, rationalizing, we are getting the value of x 9.5 root 3 meter. Now the same tan theta we are applying in the bigger triangle. Which one is the bigger triangle? AGE. AGE. In this y and this x distances are included. So now tan 30 degree is equal to AG upon GE. AG again 28.5 and GE x plus y. 1 upon 3 value of root 30, value of tan 30 degree 1 upon root 3, 28.5 x plus y. Now we will do the cross multiplication. After cross multiplication, x plus y is equal to 28.5 root 3. So y will be 28.5 root 3 minus x. The value of x we have already calculated, it is 9.5 root 3. So after subtracting we are getting the y 19 root 3 meter. So y is this distance, and if this distance is y, so this distance will be y, and we have considered the y distance, the distance boy move towards the building. So value of y is 19 root 3 meter. Boy walks 19 root 3 meter distance towards foot of the building. So that is our answer.